my video again. You're dirty, honey. Coming out and looking at my beautiful clovers. Yes, I've worked extremely hard growing these clovers this year. Look how hard I grew. Oh my goodness, this garden's come up perfect. All over the place. How about we make some soap for St. Patrick's Day? Look at that. Just beautiful. All the little bitties. With St. Patrick's Day just around the corner, how much fun would it be to come up with a St. Patrick's Day themed soap? So yes, I have my green. And I am so ready to dive into this experiment and see how it works. So come with me and let's go see St. Patrick's Day soaps. All right, so for this project, we're gonna need some molds. I got lots. We're gonna need some saran wrap. We have our little thingies to get our colors. And I'm going to use Mad Mica Indigo Girls, Mad Mica Pow Purple, Mad Mica Sister Golden Hair Surprise, Mad Mica the Manacle Pea. I am going to put a little bit of Mad Micas into the Mystic just for some extra color. And the scent of choice, or the smell of fragrance oil, I think we're going to go with this one. Green clover and aloe. I have my stuff and I'm ready to go. We are not going to fill these up all the way. We're going to do clear and then we're going to do some embeds. So we're going to actually stamp this in the soap and outline it and then we'll go from there. So come back and we'll see what we got going on. So the first things first is we're going to measure some clear. And I've decided I'm only going to put 20 in each mold. And I'm going to do 2 molds. So that's 20 or 240 total of clear product. Okay, so this is, like I said, about 240 of the clear, and it is melted down. There's no chunks in there, and there's no scent or fragrance or oils in this because this is just the bottom portion. I don't necessarily want that fragranced or scented or anything. And we're gonna put a little bit of glitter, sparkles, whatever in there to give it a little flair or pep in the color. Okay, so I just unmolded these and they're kind of peeling up a little bit, but that's okay. And this one here and this one here, apparently I didn't pour enough. I think these were like towards the last 2 molds and I didn't catch. It's okay. It's just going to fill up with the other color and be a little extra. That's fine. And there is a little bit of a ridge or a lift. I'm not for sure if you can see that. So this is the side that's going to go back into the mold and I'll pour more soap on it. So this is the more flat side. So when it's all said and done, this will be the side that you as a customer would have. And this will be the kind, I'm just going to add more mold to it. So just have an extra layer there. So now what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to try, is I'm going to push this in here. Now she used saran wrap to help prevent the soaps from sticking on the impression, so I don't transfer it on each one. So I'm not for sure if I want 1 This is a shamrock. So a shamrock has 3 and a clover has 4, but this is a shamrock. And we will do a discussion on shamrocks here in a minute. So I'm just going to hopefully
March 17th is St. Patrick's Day, and green is the biggest color, but did you know that the original color associated with the patron saint of Ireland, aka St. Patrick, was blue as far back from the 13th century. By the 18th century, tension between the British Crown and Irish nations grew. Blue represented the British, and so therefore it's now tainted, and so Ireland changed their color to green. There are 7 symbols and 4 colors with special meaning on St. Patrick's Day. These colors are green, blue, orange, and white, 3 of which appear on the Ireland flag: green, white, and orange. The symbols include shamrocks, the color green, leprechauns, parades, corned beef and cabbage, green beer, and a heart. So the shamrock has a special meaning itself. When St. Patrick came to Ireland in the 5th century as a Christian missionary to evangelize the Irish, he used the shamrock as a tool for Christianity teaching. The 3 leaves of the shamrock represented the Holy Trinity, the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. The other meanings include faith, love, and hope. If you find the 4th leaf clover, the 4th piece represents good luck.
Alright, so I just mixed up a little bit of mica color. See if I can't get that to go around that shamrock. Hope you can see. about an hour for the mica paint to dry, and I mixed me up some more clear just to do a small, clear layer. Again, there's no fragrance or scent in this, and also it'll help these areas like this one here that doesn't have all of the soap in it. And this will just help keep the color set when I pour the next layer. I am going to do this. Okay, so I changed my mind. Apparently, even with the worm, it didn't melt, and I don't want to keep pouring more and more on it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the white on here. I was going to mix some of the colors and do like a blue, like the background of my other micas that I have left over. But I think I'm just going to stick with the white, make this more simple. I'm starting to get a little bit more complicated than what I need. So I'm going to go ahead and add my fragrance oil and start pouring. Watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let me tell you what I've learned. So I've used way too many sparkles, glitter, whatever you want to call it, and so they turned out, they do look good, they smell good, and I probably should have not put so much sparkles. So this is one I've sort of tried to shave it down a little bit, but definitely should not use as much glitter.
Should have listened to your husband.
I should have listened to my husband. I was getting a little carried away with all my colors, and I just wanted to. So, yeah, it's not too bad. He's laughing at me. Yeah, that's going in the video. But, so that's the necklace piece. They didn't turn out too bad at all. So I did sort of shave some of the glitter sparkle off of it. I made a lot more than I make normally. So here's some green and some gold. Not too bad. It still has a little bit of shimmer on there. Now the mica colors really did pop. So here's one that I really shaved to make it come out a little better. That's that necklace. So I shaved around the shamrock, but I left some of the glitter to kind of give it a little bit more. The green, when I shaved some of that green off because I got too close to it. Yeah, I was just playing around with that one. This is that blue one. Here's some purple on the back. not too bad. It came out okay. They do smell good. And I have some wraps. So, like, for instance, when I get ready to try to send them out to some friends, I can put the wraps around them. It's just that it's not environmentally good. And so I don't know how to actually package these up to keep them contained and keep the smell in. So I need to learn how to wrap it a little better. This is when that blue bled in a little bit. See, that one's just plain white. This is the green. There's the blue that didn't bleed in. I just need to learn how to wrap them up better so I can ship them out to some of my friends that's requested some. So I'll be sending you guys some of these soaps. The glitter is fine. It doesn't leave your skin glittery. It just washes right off. So it's just a pigment, but it doesn't like, it's not like glittery, like a lotion with that sparkles or glitters in it. So when I ship them out to my friends, I need to figure out a way to ship them. So I do have some bars still that I've been making that I will be shipping out to the ones that I told. And then I'm getting ready to do a goat update, and we're getting ready to ship off some more cows, or actually bulls. And so tomorrow we got to round them all up sometime. I'm not for sure. So I will be doing those video updates and on the goats and getting that going. I'm going to remeasure Daisy, see if she's just fat or she really truly is pregnant. We do not have an ultrasound machine, and the vet didn't come out and do the things. And I can check the teat still. I really feel like her udder is coming in, but then again, who knows? I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to farming sometimes. So, the puppies are growing great. I can do a puppy update if you want me to. But yeah, so we'll have some of the bulls getting shipped off. I'm getting ready to do an update on the goats. The puppies are doing great. I could do another video on the puppies. And we're going to do the birds and get them all settled in. So I definitely am due for an aviary update. They're doing good. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my St. Patrick's Soap Day video. Definitely turned out better than my gingham soap. So if you haven't seen my gingham one, go watch that video. But yeah, it's not too bad. I had a blast. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.